how to install latest Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. So, the first thing that you want to do is click on the Windows Start icon and open Device Manager. After that, expand Network Adapters and look for the device that says Wireless or Ethernet. Over here, right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver. After that, click on Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best one is already installed, go back and choose Browse my computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Over here, select the second option first and click Next. If it doesn't work, try the others one by one. After that, if none of them work, type your adapter name on Google followed by driver download. Then go to the official manufacturer's website. Over here, download the driver for Windows 10 or 11. Then, if you're using a laptop, type in your laptop brand like HP or Dell, followed by driver download. After that, select laptop or desktop. Enter your serial number, click submit, and follow the steps to download. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.